I hope you're well. I hope you're blessed. I hope you're living life and just smiling and just being happy because life is good. Amen. Amen. Okay, so welcome back to my channel. I hope you're subscribed. I hope you like my videos. Yeah, I have a couple videos that you're gonna like. Okay, so please do check them out, do subscribe to my channel, and please do share my content with at least one of your WhatsApp people, your Twitter people. So today I'm going to be doing an album review. I'm doing Basketmouth's album titled Yabasi. Okay, so Yabasi means onions in Igbo. This album is just, it is, I will not lie to you. I will not lie to you. It was released last year, 2020. So this album has been out since December. Okay, and sometimes it hurts me. It hurts my chest. Like, it gets me in pain when I tell people Basketmouth has a song or has songs and they're looking at me like, Basketmouth? I'm like, yeah, hello, get to know. Basketmouth has a whole album, 10 songs, beautiful songs, beautiful collaborations, baby. Like, it's amazing. Okay, it is incredible. The thing is, I'm telling you this because I have taken time to listen to the songs over and over and over and over and over and over and over again. So what is the context to this album? So this album is called Yabasi, okay, and like I said, it means onion in Igbo language. So this album is dedicated to Basketmouth's series that he does. Is called Papa Benji. So Papa Benji is a series that he does on YouTube. I don't know if it shows on other kind of TV platforms in Nigeria, but I watch it on YouTube. And the series is amazing. So it's based on this Igbo family. They have a pepper soup joint, and, you know, they sell pepper soup and unkobi, and that's basically where the local communities gather, and it's just fun. And yeah, they talk about like current affairs and all of that, but it's actually really nice. The series is there out there. If you go and watch it. Okay, if you want to have a laugh, like if you just want to just relax and not think too much, if you like to watch like very relaxing content, then definitely go check it out. But anyways, so the album the album Yabasi, okay, it's beautiful. It's honestly, it's beautiful. Like, it has every single person you can think of. It has Ice Prince, Duncan Mighty, it has Oxlade. I think that's like the new outbreak artist. It has YJ, it has Ladipo, Flash, Zorro, Umebolibo, Chike, Fino, Flavor, the Caveman. Like, one album. Anyways, do you guys know who Basketmouth is, by the way? Do you know who Basketmouth is? Basketmouth is the old-time comedian. Like, again, he's the OG in the business. Like, Basketmouth, oh my gosh, I used to watch him in Night of a Thousand Laugh. Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out? Anyways, so Basketmouth has been in the comedy industry for a long time. Okay, so he's now branching out to do productions and just like producing content. Like he does this MTN thing he does on Instagram as well. I just love the things that he comes out with, and they're just fun and informative and just they're nice. So do check the man out on Instagram and check him out on YouTube as well, just so you can watch his content, so you can get, you know, you can get the feel that I'm feeling. Okay, so Basketmouth is doing amazing in the entertainment industry. Obviously now he's branching out into comedy. He's branching out into music, and I know he's also working on another album, or is it like a movie something, but he's doing something, okay, and I'm looking forward to it. But this intro is so bloody long. Let's get right into it. The first song is called Pepper Soup, and it's featuring obviously Basketmouth, Ice Prince, and Donko Mighty. I carry the pepper, do pepper soup. Hey. Chop dog food, dog and like to the chop goat. Anytime when you they come through, they begin to talk joke. If your neighbor they cut it grass, it means sin at the time for you to go carry your own cut last. At least no they carry last. My brother some snakes are greener than guava juice waiting for glass. Open your eye. I carry the pepper, do pepper soup. Obviously, listen to the message behind the song. So it's basically, the song is titled Pepper Soup, and it's saying when life is going tough, right? So just turn it upside down. It's like the famous saying, if you give me lemon, I make lemonade. So if you give me pepper, I will make pepper soup. Duh. So look at your situation, whatever you're going through, you can flip it, okay? That's basically what the song is titled. And obviously, if you think about it even more, it has double meaning, okay? So just on the surface level, pepper soup, and is relating to Papa Benji pepper soup joint, like I told you earlier. So smart people that are creative are so smart, like Jesus Christ. But yeah, pepper soup featuring Donko Mighty and Ice Prince, amazing. Next song is called Myself. I can't keep myself up. I'm gonna do the one way I sabi. As you can see, you can see, I know they send nobody, or do maybe I did do my thing. No, if I do this, they will say that, oh. If I say that, they will do this, oh. Anything I do, they body, so. Oh, no, they enter my feet. My help is my wealth. I can't kill myself. Play the cards I'm dealt to sell market like my 12. Flows like the ocean, you might find pearls. Oxy, tell them. I can't kill myself. Oh, no. You say I can't kill myself. Oh no. So that's the song. And if you guys like are following a lot of this kind of like comedy pages on Instagram, you would hear this song, because they kind of like used it to do a lot of videos, comedy skits and things like that. So yeah, the next song is called Ride or Die. Like, I love every song. I don't have a favorite. Don't ask me what's my favorite, because I don't have a favorite, okay? But this one was one of the first songs that actually stuck in my head. But it's called Ride or Die. It has a video as well. The video is so beautiful. My body walking, I see you touching all over my body, oh. Fire burning deep into my soul. My woman, my ghost rider, putting words up in my mouth. My woman, my ghost writer, we can share my royalties. 60-40, no higher. Testing, 1, 2, 3. My body walk, I see you touching all over my body, oh. It is you that I love, yeah. My body walk, oh. I can't deny no one else by my side but you. My ride or die. Night after night, I give up my life for you. How can you not like that song? My Ride or Die. my ride or die? Who is your ride or die? Who is your ride or die? Do I have a ride or die? Question and answer. The next song is called World People. Oh, and this song also has a video as well. Go check it out. The video is the mad creativity that is coming out. Incredible, amazing. But yeah, World People. It's kind of every day. Hey, hey. Hey. World people no go complain. They won't come like friends to me. They won't come like family. Lord, you know my daily prayer. Lord, you keep them far from me. So if you listen to the song, like, can you tell there's words to it? So he's saying like people come to him as family, but God, you know their hearts, you know my heart. Like, keep people that are like that have bad intentions far away from me. So world people, world people no go complain. Man, people no go complain. Language, Man, people no go complain. This song is so beautiful, isn't it? It's so beautiful. So the next song is called Live. I don't know if this is my favorite too. I don't know. Live featuring Chike. Oh, there's another person called Play, Chike and Zoro. Interesting. Obviously, it's not new to me, but it's gonna be new for some of you guys. Okay, so let's have a listen. Okay. I wanna take you home. Me and it up my mind. Everybody know me now, but I know they keep quiet. Look at so much about. If you give me love, you don't give me life. Oh, give me love, you don't give me life. Yeah, but the big one, no, but the late man, I ain't a woman, me the life, and as you just seem, and my boss, and my creating as I know get money, make I work the body for my baby, hear the sound. But I walk current, Mona, while leave me down the cancha, moment, make call, do the one in town. If you give me love, you don't give me life. Oh, if you give me love, you don't give me life. Enter, baby girl, now you they make me mental. Not only you I see when I they enter. If you give me love, you don't give me life. Oh, if you give me love, you don't give me life. Oh. The next one is called One Bo. It has umubulibo. One bo is like short form of one bottle. Okay, I'll try and translate it, or I'll do a whole different video translating the song, but yeah. Baba Benji give me one bo, a plate of pepper soup, make it jolly day, go 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 go. If I do, don't go and kill yourself, because this life is, you only come once. It's often be you only come once. Okay. Problem no the finish. Like, don't do past yourself, because the problem is always gonna be there. Okay, so just cool your temper, take one bottle and chill. Okay, lovely. You know the finish. So the song is basically just saying like relax and chop life, okay? Because problem not the finish, problem is never finishing. So don't go and kill yourself stressing over things that you can't change. So just relax, cool down, go and take a chill pill, you know, and relax, because problem not the finish. Like this, anyways. You see why I like the song? It has meaning, like, and it's very erotic as well. The next song is called December. Girl, I could love you January to December, yeah. Cause your love, they make me mental away. So now you can change my life. Oh, see, I don't mind, oh, I don't mind. If you give me something, make a job.
say bad man this, bad man that. Never see any girl like you. Say now only me with the ginger. Anything where you want to my girl I go do. It's mind over I don't mind. If you give me something make a chop. Girl you know say me I no go ever waste your time.
I love you love the babe from January to December, and you know you don't mind if she gives you something to eat because that's your babe, like that's the one you want a wife. So this song is called by Caesar Mill. I've not heard about this person before in my life, but this song bangs. This song really bangs, doesn't it? Doesn't it bang? So the next one is called Papa Benji, which is the cocoa of the matter. The Cocoa of the Matter, Papa Benji, by Flavor, Fina, and obviously Basketmouth. And this is the theme song to the series that I told you about, Papa Benji, that is produced by Basketmouth. So this is a theme song, and you're gonna listen to it right now, okay? Basket. Hey, woo. Papa Benji. Papa Benji, enjoyment master. Mama Benji, the fashion designer. Benji Junior, want to be a musician. Instant Jimenez. So basically what he just named is like the characters in the TV series. There's Basketmouth, there is Buchi, there is Nedu FM, there is Jemima Osunde, there is Professor. Who played Professor again? It's this guy, Sound Sultan. That's it, Sound Sultan. So he's there, and there is this other guy, if you guys know, what's his name? Crazy Clown. So I see Crazy Clown in the theme picture, but his character was never shown. But Benji Junior is actually Crazy Clown, the one that gets slapped. I forgot his name, but yeah. Papa Benji. We're gonna stop it there. So number 9 is called Hustle. Number 9 is featuring Dice Alice, the Caveman, and Bez. So the Caveman, I'm sure you guys know. Do you know who the Caveman is? The Caveman is the Caveman, okay? The Caveman, they're also Igbo artists, and they make really beautiful songs. I listen to the album again very often. So he's basically like, no matter what you do, this is the Caveman right now. So no matter what you do, people are gonna talk. So you better just do your own. Do you boo? Do you, okay?
Whoa, whoa, whoa. My brother, anything that you do,
good things go follow you. Always be on the move, my brother. Hustle, no be beans, oh.
Mama pray for me every day, she say I'm more life. And I know they tell you my money don't mean everything.
So basically, hustle, because hustle is, no be beans is pidgin for saying like it's not easy. So hustling is not easy. So always be on the move, always be doing something, be trying to improve yourself every chance you get. Don't just sit there and do nothing. Okay, so hustle no be beans. So you gotta hustle because you wanna do something for yourself. You wanna be something. So always hustle baby. That's all we're out here hustling. Everyone is out here hustling. If you're a student, you're hustling for that degree. Okay, don't get it twisted. Thank you very much. The next one the next one is called Udo, and it's featuring Ilblaze, Oga Boss, Come On, and Peruzzi.
Only me chop food, chop money, chop woman, chop life.
Only chop food, chop money, chop woman, chop life. Like, that is it. Just enjoy life, baby. Enjoy life. Obviously, the chopping human being parts, I don't know for you. Udo Daniel. Just want make money simple. Udo Daniel. Made a lot of money, poverty was impossible. He made a lot of money, poverty is impossible. Did you hear that? Don't get it twisted. Hustle so poverty can become impossible in your life. Amen? Amen. Udo Daniel. Just want make money simple. Udo. So Udo actually means peace. So Udo, like, they just look for peace. Udo Dianya, long-lasting peace. That's what they're looking for, because this life is some kind. So you have to find something that makes you happy. Something, that's what I keep saying. Look for something that makes you happy. Be at peace with yourself. That's the song. That's the whole album. It's 10 songs, and it's beautifully written, beautifully orchestrated, beautifully structured. Like, the whole structure is amazing. Like, it's beautiful. And and he featured all these big names, and they're just perfectly executed. Like, everything is just, I give this album 10 over 10. I'm being serious. I'm genuinely being serious. 10 over 10. Album is not long. Like, a lot of the songs are 2 minutes, 3 minutes, so it's very straight to the point, very direct, and it's just a very feel good. You will learn something from it. If you don't understand Igbo and there's a certain song you want me to translate, I can do a separate video on that one. I don't mind. And so yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Go check out the album Yabasi, and check out Papa Benji, the series, as well. I finished watching it. I can't wait for season 2 to start. But yeah, it's beautiful. It's nice to see. Yeah, so don't say I did not plug you. Don't say I did not tell you anything. Don't say I have never done anything for you, because I'm giving you all these nice people that you should go and listen to. Don't come and tell me that I haven't done anything nice for you, because I'm doing it now. Please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.